Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a mukbang, whatever you want to call it, on Domino's. And excuse the background, I decided to record out today. It's just a little something different for you guys instead of inside my little dungeon work office area. But hold on, let me go ahead and show y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Looks yummy. Sure you don't want a piece? Okay. Oh, by the way, it's what I have on it is mushrooms, jalapeno peppers, and white garlic sauce, and it's pan. I think it's a pan pizza. And I really should have came a little more prepared because I don't got no napkins. This is horrible. I'm outside my gym, by the way. I'm going to the gym right after I get done eating this. You better not be recording me, okay? You hear me? Closed session. Sorry, I'm being a little diva right now. But yeah, I don't know what we should chat about, you guys, because we've been on growth in the last few days and talking about letting go and doing what's best for you. Because it sounds like the last conversation we had. Oh, excuse me, sorry you guys. That was my phone. It was like the last conversation we had. Let me take these off. It was like the last conversation we had. We gotta get to the point of realizing that the only way for us to grow is sometimes to let go of old baggage and old situations that no longer do us justice. We got what we needed from the situation. We got what we needed from the experience. And a lot of times as human beings or as individuals, we tend to get comfortable and feel like that this is our top, and we haven't even began yet, because a lot of our self-development comes within and comes with inside and understanding and learning self-love, self-respect, self-care, self-integrity, self-boundaries, and you learn all these kind of things and you master them. And throughout life, sometimes we get paused on the what society has built to teach us what's very important, and we lose sight of a lot of different things. So I don't know where I'm carrying on to or where this is coming from, but it's within. And this pizza is bomb. I see everybody doing these Domino mukbangs, so I was like, And guess what? That's how much I paid for it. That's right. $5. But that's because I reached my 60 points. But I had to pay for delivery. But that was what's up. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and record this. Got a $5 pizza and delivered. Oh, and I did leave a little tip, so but we're not gonna count that. Only on our taxes. No fun. But I need to get more into this pizza though, because I do gotta work out in a little bit. Today it's supposed to be ab day, but I might have to make it more cardio because I can't be doing those sit-ups on a full stomach, you know what I'm saying? But it's a beautiful day out today, so I'm really glad that I get to enjoy this day eating and with you guys. I'm sorry about the view. It's casual. I'm probably a hot mess over here. And excuse my hair today. I had to, get myself prepared for the gym. And no, this one isn't vegan because it has cheese. I don't know what's in that sauce either. But that one was spicy. I feel like I'm a hot mess over here. No paper towels. No nothing. Savage life. I haven't showed y'all a piece yet. I'm over being stingy. My bad, y'all. My eyes are really sensitive. Hold on. Let me keep them on. Is my face greasy? It feels like it's greasy. I'm gonna try to keep this video the same length as I do most of my videos. I usually have my videos at 16 to 20 minutes. My videos are usually at 16 to 20 minutes. Three more. Wow. You guys, I just went through this pizza really quick then. I was hungry. I don't got much to say. You want a piece? I know you don't like mushrooms, but I know you like jalapenos. Do y'all want a piece? You know what I'm saying? Pretty good. Save up 60 points if you're feeling like I do. Okay, I think I can take one more. I can take one more, honey. I feel like my eyes are shut. Because when I said my eyes do not like light, they do not like light. And I mean like, when it's too bright, I don't know, my eyes are so sensitive. Sorry, you guys, I was zoning out for a second, thinking about life, thinking about connections, thinking about what's relative to my purpose and to my goals and to my dreams. I'm really, trying to filter out the importance in between the things, the key words, the key actions, the key events, that are the ones that I should be giving my opinion to, my energy to. And then there's these certain other behaviors that I view as more negative that we tend to dwell on and hold on to a little more than we do with the positive. So I'm also at that process of eliminating the difficulties and really being in the energy and the surroundings of love and growth and understanding and empathy and morally and integrity, trying to get all those completely where I need them to be. But thank you guys for eating with me. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any other questions that you would like to ask me or other foods you would like for me to try. I'll definitely look into that. And also check out my other social medias at Blake Gachel on all of them. But once again, thank you guys. Love you guys. Enjoy life. Peace. Happiness.